Welcome. Here, we break down complex electrical engineering concepts into simple, practical, and engaging explanations. So stay connected with the world of electrical engineering. Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the oil surge relay, commonly known as OSR. Its construction, working principle, and function in a power transformer. An oil surge relay is a mechanical protective device. It operates whenever there is a sudden surge of oil inside the diverter tank of a transformer. It is not the main protection relay of the transformer. Instead, it is specially designed to protect the on-load tap changer, or OLTC system. Now, every modern power transformer includes an on-load tap changer, which allows the transformer ratio to be adjusted while it is in service. But during every tap-changing operation, some arcing occurs between contacts. Even though we try to make it arc-free, in practice it's impossible to eliminate arcing completely. Because of this arcing, the transformer oil becomes carbonized over time. And if this arcing happened inside the main tank, the oil quality would deteriorate very quickly. So to avoid this, manufacturers use a separate diverter tank for the tap changer mechanism. The oil inside this diverter tank is completely isolated from the main tank oil. That means any deterioration or contamination in the diverter tank oil does not affect the main transformer oil. And just like the main tank, this diverter tank also has its own conservator. Between the diverter tank and its conservator, we install the oil surge relay, or OSR. Now, many of you might wonder, isn't this similar to a Buchholz relay? Yes, the OSR looks quite similar to a Buchholz relay, but there is one important difference. The Buchholz relay has two contacts, one for alarm and another for trip. The OSR, on the other hand, has only one contact, the trip contact. It does not have any alarm contact. Let's understand how the OSR works. If a major internal fault occurs inside the diverter tank due to loose contacts, misalignment, or severe arcing, it produces a rapid increase in oil pressure. The diverter tank is much smaller than the main tank, so even a small amount of arcing causes a sudden surge of oil. This high-velocity oil flow passes through the OSR, and as it enters, it pushes a flap or vane fitted inside the relay. When the oil pressure exceeds a preset limit, the flap tilts or rotates, closing the normally open contact inside the OSR. As soon as this happens, the trip circuit of the transformer circuit breaker is activated, and the transformer is isolated from the system immediately. Construction details. Now let's talk about the construction of the oil surge relay. The OSR consists of a metallic casing that acts as a small oil chamber. It has an inlet connection from the diverter tank and an outlet connection going towards the conservator. Inside the chamber, there is a flap or vane mechanism. A small permanent magnet is attached to this flap. Under normal breathing or slow oil movement, the velocity of oil flow is not enough to move the flap. So the relay remains in its normal position. The OSR uses a reed switch which has a normally open contact. This reed switch is placed close to the flap magnet inside the chamber. During a heavy fault, the flap rotates and the magnet moves closer to the reed switch. Due to magnetic attraction, the moving contact of the reed switch touches the fixed contact and the circuit gets closed. This closes the tripping circuit of the transformer's circuit breaker, ensuring that the transformer is safely disconnected from the supply. When the OSR operates, it indicates a major internal fault in the diverter tank or in the tap changer mechanism. So before resetting the relay, the transformer must be physically inspected by maintenance personnel. Also remember, the OSR cannot be reset remotely. It has a mechanical reset system and must be manually reset at the site. Although we have not shown the test and reset lever here, but in different animations we can show. When we push the red lever, the relay manually operates, so it is a test lever. The blue lever is pushed to make the flap return to its original position, so it is reset level. Once the OSR has operated, the transformer must not be re-energized until it is physically reset. Now let's answer a common question. Why does the oil surge relay not have an alarm contact, like the Buchholz relay? The reason is simple. During every tap-changing operation, a small amount of arcing and gas formation is normal inside the diverter tank. If we provided an alarm contact in the OSR, these gases would trigger false alarms, even when no actual fault exists. Therefore, the OSR is designed to operate only during major faults, and it provides only a trip contact, not an alarm. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you understand electrical engineering concepts better. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Stay with us and stay updated with more videos on transmission lines, substations, and power systems. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep the power flowing.